Alright guys, how we doing? Welcome back to my channel guys. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for staying true. If you're new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of recipes you already missed, but you could subscribe and catch up on those and catch up on this one and all the current recipes that's coming up. If you turn on that notification bell and make sure you put that to all so you get all my notifications. Alright guys, today I got a special recipe I'm going to walk you through, so stick around guys, hang tight. Again, hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see me cook, and stay safe. Alright guys, today I'm doing some char siu pork kabob. So I got a nice pork loin right here, I got some char siu, and the recipe for this, I'm going to put it in the description. Got some 5 spice, and I got a little bit of salt. So I got some skewers, so alright guys, let's go ahead and get working on our pork. Alright, so we're going to start by scoring this. So we're going to make some cut like 1/4 inch. Make sure your oven is preheated to 475. If it's a commercial, conventional, I'll say 325. Alright. I'm just going to do like that. Alright, so now you're going to get a baking tin, and I'm going to transfer your pork to the baking tin. Alright, so we're going to get some salt. We're going to sprinkle some salt all over this. Alright, get some 5 spice. It's very potent, so you don't gotta do a lot, just a little bit, like so. Alright guys, I'm gonna get our char siu sauce. Just gonna pour, make sure you get it in the grooves. We're gonna bake this for almost an hour and a half, as I'm using a conventional oven. Then once this finish baking, we're going to take it out, rise it out the water or the juice, put it on a grill, and then bake it for another hour. We're going to go ahead and dice it up and make our kabobs. Alright, so make sure we get it fully covered. And you could feel free to get in there and just make sure you get all the grooves. Alright guys, so after an hour, that's how we look, that's where we at. So what we're going to do now, we're going to lift this out the sauce and put a mesh or a grate, and we're going to sit this on top. So let me get a grate real quick. Alright, so we're going to put it on here and put it back. That way the pork is not sitting in the grease. So we're going to do that. And we're going to go and give it another coat. Let me slide up so you guys can see. I'm going to add another coat. Char siu. That's me making a mess. And this time we're going to put our oven and broil. I'm going to crank it up. We crank it up to around 400 for like 15 minutes. Then if you really want that nice char burn, you could put it on broil. This one is really messy guys, that's why I break out the gloves. Alright, I like this, so making sure it's all in there. Alright, we're going to return this back to the oven just like this for another 45 minutes. Alright guys, so here we are. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to remove this from the tray. That's pretty hot, so you got to be careful with that. Alright guys, so we're gonna do now, we're gonna remove this from the tray. It's pretty hot, so be careful. Alright, we're gonna set this aside. Set this aside for a minute. Alright, we're not done with that yet. We're just gonna set them aside for a minute. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make some cuts. Alright guys, now that we have these all cut up, we're gonna go ahead and add these back to our sauce. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make our skewers or kabobs. So we're just gonna get a repeat the process. Alright guys, so now you got your kabobs. You're gonna get your char siu sauce. And we're gonna just coat them again. Don't be stingy. This recipe can get a bit messy, guys. So make sure you clean as you go. Or if you got some stewards, you know, you call in your steward when you finish. Yeah, but beautiful, nice char siu, and we're gonna put this in a high broil for a quick 5 to 10 minutes just to get some char on there. All right. Make sure we get them real good. All right, when you get them real good, coated real good, go ahead and line them on. All right, guys, this is the end product. There we have it, guys. Some nice kabob. These are very, very hot char siu pork. Just came out of the oven. So you know me now, I'm gonna enjoy this. So let me just plate this up real quick. Alrighty.